भोपाल इंदिरा गांधी राष्ट्रीय मानव संग्रहालय भोपाल में 21 एवं 22 सितंबर को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन पूर्व लोक मंथन का आयोजन होने जा रहा है। वाचिक परंपरा में प्रचलित हर्बल उपचार प्रणालियां संरक्षण, संवर्धन और कार्य योजना विषय पर इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। भारतीय समाज विज्ञान अनुसंधान परिषद, इंदिरा गांधी राष्ट्रीय मानव संग्रहालय, प्रज्ञा प्रवाह, एथोपोस इंडिया फाउंडेशन, माखनलाल चतुर्वेदी राष्ट्रीय पत्रकारिता एवं संचार विश्वविद्यालय एवं दंतोपंत टेगड़ी शोध संस्थान भोपाल के संयुक्त तत्वावधान में ये 2 दिवसीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन होगा। सम्मेलन में पद्मश्री यानिंग जमोह लेगो अरुणाचल प्रदेश विशेष रूप से सम्मेलन में आ रहे हैं। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन में हर्बल उपचार, गैर संहिता व्रत, हर्बल उपचार, जलवायु परिवर्तन, जैव विविधता, पौधारोपण, स्वास्थ्य संचार आदि विषयों पर शिक्षकों, शोधार्थियों द्वारा शोध पत्र एवं अकादमिक पोस्टर भी प्रस्तुत किए जाएंगे। पूर्ण शोध पत्र प्रस्तुत करने की अंतिम तिथि 20 सितंबर तक रहेगी।
मैं आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ और खासकर इंदिरा गांधी मानव संग्रहालय प्रोफेसर अमिताभ पांडे जी, जिन्होंने हमें मौका दिया कि हम लोग यहाँ रहें और ये प्रोग्राम इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस करें, और प्रोफेसर सुरेश जी वाइस चांसलर ने हमारे साथ बयान देने को बोला है, स्पेशली मीडिया पे। जो लीडर्स पे है वो मैं थोड़े संक्षेप में आपको बताना चाहूँगी। This international conference will be held from 21st to 22nd of September. Along with that, there will be 5 days leaders workshop, which IGRMS has been organizing for the last 2 years. After 29, due to COVID, it was stopped, but now it's going to happen again. And this 2 days workshop will be basically on the herbal healers, those who are based on non-codified systems. Non-codified are those who don't have any written text, and it is not a professional degree which the healers at the community level treats the patients. Now, all of you are aware of all the villages and also Janjati hamlets where there are herbal healers who treat the patients at a doorstep without any charges or very nominal charges. So this is a divine power which they feel they get it, and it is passed on from one generation to another through oral traditions. And unfortunately, such vast knowledge and traditions have not been recognized so far. It's 2014 Ayush got recognition, and there is a whole ministry where Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy, they have been recognized, but the non-codified healers, many of them are not educated, but they are doing great service at the doorsteps. So the intention of having this international conference is to give a kind of advocacy and also work with the ministries to make sure that they get recognition and they get support. So we are not including many other healing systems. We have very good spiritual healing systems. We have Nadi, healers. Across the India, we know that there are many healers who have this traditional wisdom and knowledge, and it is questioned on its scientific basis, but it is very experiential. People do follow that. For generations this has come, and it has been there from centuries. People have been treated through herbal healing systems. So the idea behind this 2 days conference, where there will be experts who have been researching on this area for a very long time, social scientists. We also have people from medicinal plant boards. We have vice chancellors and retired professors who have been working. They will be deliberating on this topic. And this whole book which has been published on the herbal healing, it is the ethno-medicine of medicine of the people, what people follow based on their traditional wisdom, which will be also shared through the experts. And there are open sessions where young students and scholars have shared their papers and the abstracts which have come. So there will be some panel sessions. So the conference will start on 21st. We welcome all of you to come and listen to the healers also, and also participate in the deliberations of this conference. So with these few words, I would like to now request Professor Amitabh Pandey ji to share some more thoughts on this program. Thank you so much.